Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, our today's topic is superposition theorem, which is our lecture number 11 on this YouTube channel. Students, firstly we will thanks to you that you support me to bring my YouTube channel upward, and we will get a good feedback from you people. So keep supporting me and keep sharing my channel. So students, in this example we need to find voltage across 30 ohm resistor using superposition theorem. So there are two steps to follow if we need to solve superposition theorem. First step is to suppress one source, select one source and suppress all other sources. And second step is we need to suppress the sources. Remember my words, we only suppress independent voltage and current source, not we don't suppress dependent voltage and current source. So if we need to suppress voltage source, so we need to short the circuit. And second, if we need to suppress current source, we will open the circuit. So we will apply these two steps in my example. So students, firstly we will suppress these two sources and find the voltage across 30 ohm resistors using this voltage source. So I will update my circuit. We will open this volt current source, so it remains open, and here 10 volts, and we will open this current source. So here we need to find current in this circuit. So these are connected in series, so current is same across all the resistors. So here current will becomes I is equals to V divided by R. I will be equals to 10 minus 0 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 30. So here I will becomes 0.167 ampere. Similarly, we will find voltage across 30 ohm resistor. So we will apply voltage divider at 30 ohm. Apply voltage divider at 30 ohm. So V30 ohm equals to 30 into 10 divided by sum of all the resistance. So it will becomes 5 volts. So students, our first step is done. We need to find voltage across 30 ohm. So we will find it. Also I will name it V1 is equals to 5 volts. So now my next step is to find voltage across 30 ohm using this current source. So we will suppress these two voltage and current sources. So I will update my circuit. So students, will select this source and suppress these two sources. We will open it, short it, and it will becomes open. So my updated circuit will becomes look like that. So here students, we need to find voltage across 30 ohm. So I will find voltage across 30 ohm using KCL. So I will name it node A. So we'll apply KCL I1, I2. So apply KCL at A. I1 is equals to 2 plus I2. So I1 will becomes 0 minus VA divided by 10 is equals to 2 plus VA minus 0 divided by 50. So students, VA will becomes minus 16.67 volts. So similarly we will find voltage across 30 ohms. So I will name it V2. So V2 will becomes VA minus I2 into 20. So here we don't know the value of I2, so I will find I2 value. So I2 will becomes VA minus 0 divided by 20 plus 30. Put the value of VA here. So I2 will becomes minus 0.33 ampere. So we'll put this I2 value in this equation. So V2 will becomes minus 16.67 minus into minus 0.33 into 20. So V2 will becomes minus 10 volts. Now our second step done. We need to find voltage across 30 ohm, which is minus 10 volts. Now our third step is to suppress these two sources and select this source and find the voltage with respect to 1 ampere current source. So I will update my circuit. Now students, I will update my circuit. So it is 1 ampere current source. Here current source is open and voltage source is short. So 10, 20 and 30. So we'll apply KCL at this node V1, we named it V3. So apply KCL at V3. So we'll named it current directions I1, I2, and here it will becomes 1 ampere. So here I1 plus 1 is equals to I2. I1 will becomes 0 minus V1 divided by 30 plus 1 is equals to I2 is V3 minus 0 divided by 30. So here it will also V3. So V3 will be equals to 15 volts. Now our third step is done. We need to find voltage across 30 ohm. We will find it. Now students, we will find the value of V1, which will be equals to V5 volts, V2 which will be equals to minus 10 volts, and V3 which will be equals to 15 volts. So we will find the total voltage across 30 ohm, which will becomes Vt is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So put these three values, it will becomes 5 minus 10 plus 15. So Vt, which will be total voltage, equals to 10 volts. Now our main step is done. We need to find voltage across 30 ohm resistance using superposition principle. We will find it. Now students, I will give you practice problem regarding to this example. You need to solve that problem so that you might clear your concept properly. Now students, in this practice problem you need to find voltage across 20 ohm resistance using similar steps. There are three sources, so we will find three voltages by suppressing two voltage sources step by step. So students, find voltage across 20 ohm resistors, solve it and give answers in this video's comment box. Students, hopefully you will clear your concept properly. If you clear your concept properly, like my video and subscribe my channel. If you don't clear your concept properly, so dislike my video so that we will prepare our lecture more properly. So thanks for watching. So keep supporting, stay happy and stay blessed.